Joy Belmonte Alamuring, born Maria Josefina Tanya Go Belmonte on March 15, 1970, is a Filipino politician who has served as the 12th mayor of Quezon City since 2019. A member of the local Servicio SA Band Party, Belmonte previously served as the Vice Mayor of Quezon City from 2010 to 2019 under her predecessor, Herbert Bautista. Born Maria Josefina Tanya Go Belmonte on March 15, 1970, in Quezon City. She is the only daughter of journalist Betty Go Belmonte and lawyer Feliciano Belmonte Jr., who would later serve as the 9th mayor of Quezon City, a representative from Quezon City's 4th Congressional District, and House Speaker. She has 3 brothers: Isaac Belmonte, the current head of the editorial board of the Philippine Star, Kevin Belmonte, the vice chairman of Nuvoland Philippines, and Miguel Belmonte, the current president and CEO of the Philippine Star. Her first cousin, Kit Belmonte, was the representative of Quezon City's 6th Congressional District from 2013 to 2022. She attended St. Pedro Poveda College for her grade school and high school education, where she became the first student council chairman of the school. She graduated with a Jose Segovia Award for Service and Gary Roxas Award. In 1992, Belmonte graduated from the Ateneo de Manila University with a Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences. Afterwards, in 1995, she took up her graduate studies in the University of Leicester, where she earned her master's degree in museum studies. In 1996, she again took up her graduate studies at University College London, where she earned her master's degree in archaeology. For the duration of her master's program, she focused on studying about Southeast Asia and its culture, which led her to take up an internship in Thailand. She became an archaeologist and eventually ended up teaching the subject in the Philippines. Controversies. Delivering relief goods using garbage truck. In March 2020, amidst of COVID-19 pandemic in the Philippines and lockdowns was enforced, the relief goods was distributed in Pasong Tamo, but it was loaded from a garbage truck. Belmonte was later criticized in social media, and some of the personalities who questioned it was comedian Kit Kat and manager Ogie Diaz, but in some barangays were safely loaded in a service van. The city government later denied the issue, and later stated that the truck used was only a utility truck. The Summit Express later tagged it as fake news. Personal life. Belmonte married Raymond Alamuring, the first Filipino CEO of Lazada Philippines. They have a son. In 2010, she was awarded the Gawad Lingkod Masa Award by Gabriela Women's Party due to her work on protecting and helping out distressed women. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.